What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. I call this huge GU trade for free, and we're about to break it down so you can know exactly why I took this trade and how you can catch a similar, if not a greater setup. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Go ahead and hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live trade and live stream every day. London session 3 and EST on YouTube, and we go live New York session on TikTok as well. So if you're not following me on TikTok, here it is on your screen. Playmaker Way, no underscores, no nothing. Make sure to follow. Also post content on there every day as well. Then on top of that, we don't just post trade breakdowns. We post trading psychology videos, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, how to read candlesticks and charts, market flow, all that great stuff. So go ahead and check that out. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So this was the GU sell setup. The first thing I want to break down is that I called this in the free Telegram. I do have a free signal and free Telegram. It's the first link in the description. You see the time the trade was posted. You see my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. And if you want to see the date this was October 2nd. So if you go on October 2nd, you look at GU in fact did tank that day. So now let's go ahead and explain why I even went for this setup. So one thing I want to stress is that my strategy is very simple. It is very simple. This is what it was looking like on that Friday. First thing I like to do is go on the daily time frame. The reason why I like to go on the daily time frame is because that's how price moves. Price moves on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. So just think about it. When you look at any statistics or stats, is it always reference something from 15 minutes ago, an hour ago, or a couple months ago, to a quarter ago, to a year ago? Same thing with the charts. You want to know the direction price has been going for the overall year, if not the quarter. And we can see here the downtrend began in July, which was a whole quarter ago. So this means it's been tanking to the downside for over 4 months. Then on top of that, you see way more red candlesticks than green. So everything's showing us that it's bearish. And obviously, if we look at a more technical point, we see no higher highs, but we indeed see lower lows. So if you're ever confused on how to identify the trend or trend reversals, go ahead and pause this video, check this video out, then come back to this one. So now that we see that we are bearish, that means we should only look for sells. I tell my members and students this all the time. If everything's showing as buys, only look for buys. If everything's showing as sells, only look for sells. So now that we understand that we're bearish and we're looking for sell setups, now we need to identify our key price levels to figure out exactly where we need to enter and exit at. Bam. So now I got my key price levels marked off. So now that I got my key price levels marked off, this is when you want to go into the smaller time frame so you can see exactly how price is moving and to wait for it to break your levels. This was a setup I broke down on last week Friday. This was a nice another 1 to 3 risk reward setup. But again, we see this level is being treated as support. We want to wait for price to break this level and treat it as resistance. Why? Because we're looking for sells. You want to enter sells on resistance levels and you want to enter buys off support levels. Also, I want to point out just how accurate these levels are. All right, look how accurately price bounces off these levels when it hits it over and over again. This is why we trade off these levels and identify these levels. So all we had to do was wait for price to break this level so we can look for a sell setup. So once I saw a price break this level, what I like to do is wait at least until the candlestick closes to see if the next candlestick is going to hold this level. Because look right here, price hit this level multiple times, but did it break and close underneath there? No. This is why I always tell the members and students as well. It's important where the candlestick goes, but it's more important where the candlestick closes. And I know that sounds like a bar, but I have it like that so it sticks in your head, but it's very true. Just think about it. I know this happened to y'all before. Y'all took a trade setup and price is going one way, and then a couple minutes later, it switches directions. Next thing you know, you got caught in a wick. You know what I'm saying? If you don't understand how wicks work or how to read candlesticks, make sure to watch this video as well. This video is going to help you out because again, we make money based on the chart. So it's very important to understand how to read the charts. That way you know how to enter trades, manage your trades while you're in them as well. So once price broke this level, all I had to do was wait for my confirmations, which was that retest. And again, this is another example why you want to wait for price to close at least a candlestick or two to show us holding that level as a resistance. Because imagine I would have took the sell setup, my stop loss would have got hit and I would have lost unnecessary money. Obviously, I would have been over leveraging, but I still would have lost some money. That's why you don't need to rush entering a trade. Just stick to your rules and be patient. Once price broke back below that level, That's when I knew we was going to look for a sell setup once I saw price break this previous low. So that's when I marked up my stop loss, figured out what my lot size was going to be, found out where my TPs were going to be, and then I posted the signal into the free signal room. And you know the rest was history. We all made money. But I want to show you the bar replay to show you how it moved, all right? Look at that smooth drop to the downside. That's why it's very important to be patient and go with the flow of price, because we pause this really quick. This is when London session started. This was Tokyo session. This is London session, 3 a.m. So literally, because we patiently waited for the setup, we caught the entire direction, entire move for the day. So let me ask you this. Do you just want to catch a bounce or retracement, or do you want to catch the entire move for the day? And look at that. That way, you can just continue to ride it, add extra positions if you want, and you don't really got to look at the trade too much. You just got to move SL and profit to close once you're happy. So this trade right here was a nice 1 to 4 risk to reward setup. So that means whatever you risked, you made 4 times that amount. So if you risked $50, you made $200. If you risked $100, you made $400. If you risked $1,000, you made $4,000 off this one trade alone. And again, I want to stress this. We entered right here and we caught the entire daily candlestick, but most importantly, we caught the entire lower low. It's that simple, y'all. So you're interested in learning how to identify and mark off these levels. I do have the playbook course. The course isn't just breaking out my trading strategy. As you can notice, I never mentioned any indicators. I never mentioned any pattern or nothing like that. Everything I broke down was technical and simply reading the charts and candlesticks. So the course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, which I do break down in there, but I also break down the most important thing, which is how to read the charts. This works on literally anything with candlesticks. It works on gold, futures, currency pairs, obviously, indices, stocks, options, crypto, literally anything with a candlestick. This is teaching you how to read those charts, and it also works on any time frame. So what comes with the course, you get access to the member Zoom calls. Those are the Advanced Play Signal Room membership Zoom calls. We go live during New York session, so you get access to all of those. They're also recorded and posted in the channel, so you can watch them whenever you want. So all the lives as well as New York price watch lists are dropped in here, and these are literally yours to keep for life. You're in here is just a one-time payment. So every day I drop a New York price watch list, which breaks down trades took during London session and possible setters going into New York. As you can see here, I'm not just saying we're looking for buys, we're looking for sells, but I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells. So not only do you have the course where you can watch anywhere from your phone, computer, iPad, laptop, but every day you still get ongoing education and information. And again, like I said, the lives, if you miss any of the lives, you literally have all the videos, over 200 videos of chart analysis and live streams. It also comes with the student and member group chat. Now, I also have the Advanced Play Signal Room. Now, what comes with the Advanced Play Signal Room? The free Telegram, free Signal Room only gets 25 to 50% of the trades. The Advanced Play Signal Room gets all the trades, and we also trade strictly Tokyo session exclusively with the members. You also get to walk through the trades. As you can see here, I let y'all know Tokyo session and New York session, what kind of setups we're looking for, and you also get the New York price watch list, as well as you have access to over 400 videos. Same thing, the New York price watch list and the live streams, but you also have access to last year's live streams as well. So it's over a year, going on 2 years of content at your disposal. I also do one-on-one sessions. Now, what comes with the one-on-one session is you get access to the Advanced Play Signal Room, so you can earn while you learn. You get 2 sessions a week that are an hour long, recorded and sent you the same day, yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, you can message me on Instagram at playmaker_way. If you got any questions, also hit that follow button there as well, because I do post daily on there and TikTok. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. And I'll see y'all either in the next live stream or the next time I post a video. Peace. We out.